In this video, I will show you some KreditBee coupon code for processing fee. So by going to decidime.com, you can see right here that they have this promo code for up to 100% off on processing fee for KreditBee. So in here, you can get this coupon and it starts with only 10,000 RS. You can also see right here it starts with 5,000 RS as well as this top deal for only 1 lakh. You can see right here the deals and details for the particular option right there. As you can see, when you scroll down further, you can see right here their offers, and you can see also the missed offers. You can click on this get offer option in order to visit the actual store, and you can see the credit B right here. You will be redirected to make sure to actually download this particular credit B. And further, you can actually get in here some options. Here is the deal that's been activated. So just proceed to log in or sign up for a KreditBee account. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.